Welcome to this edition of CPWN. I'm Clarence Bonsler. Happy New Year and New Decade, the first video of 2020 and the 2020s. And you can see that I wrote this in chalk on New Year's Day. And there is a nickname that goes with this decade that we're just getting started. It's called the Rainbow Decade. Named after one quote from a movie I saw a few years ago. Life is not always cupcakes and rainbows, but also the rainbow socks I showed you in a video last summer. Beautiful day today, lots of sunshine, comfortable temperatures, only wearing 2 layers today, but still cold enough to put on the jeans. Let's get inside. And we still have our Christmas tree. This late in the month, January 5th is the record date, but look a bit carefully. There are not that many ornaments left and just a few light strands. But the mistletoe is down, the garland is down, and one more thing to highlight is this towel right here. It was placed in a box that is made to be used during hurricane season, in particular when bad hurricanes come along the Mississippi Gulf Coast. To see that white ring and a hole in the center, that's because there was a bleach bottle that was opened and it leaked into that area and sat there for a couple of years. And hence, it eroded away the material, and that's what is left behind, a white ring with a hole in it. So please, don't put open bleach bottles inside your hurricane season preparedness kit. And that will conclude this edition of CPWN, not just for the first time in 2020, but also the decades 2020. That's going to conclude it. Clarence Bonsler saying, have a nice day or evening if it is nighttime. Goodbye.